Today we are going to be talking about acquired traits. We're going to figure out what that means. Let's see what it is. So let's recap what happened yesterday. Yesterday we learned about inherited traits. Now today we are going to learn about non-inherited traits. Remember, yesterday with inherited traits, we learned that they are things that you get from your parents, whether it be an animal or yourself. There are two types of non-inherited traits. A non-inherited trait is something that's not passed down from your parent. These are things you did not get from mom and dad, or these are things that a puppy did not get from its parents, or a horse from its parents. Two different types of non-inherited traits are acquired traits and learned traits. Acquired traits are what we're going to be focusing on today. Today, we're going to look at an acquired trait. An acquired trait is a characteristic that happened to you because of your environment. If you look in this up-hand corner up here, we have a picture of a tree branch. This is an example of an acquired trait. This tree branch is broken. The branch could have been broken off during a storm, or someone could have cut it. But the branch is an acquired trait because the tree was not born that way. The environment caused that tree to have this new trait. Let's look at some more examples of acquired trait. One example is this little girl. She has a broken arm. The girl was not born with a broken arm. She was just injured. So that's a reason why this is an acquired trait. Here's a dog that had its front leg amputated. Because the dog's leg was taken off, the leg could have been injured, there could have been something wrong with it, but it wasn't born with 3 legs. The dog was born with 4 legs. So the dog having an amputated leg is an example of an acquired trait. One last example of an acquired trait is this cat. This cat was not born with just one eye. It was born with 2 eyes, but something happened. It might have been injured, but because of that injury, now that cat has 1 eye. So the cat having 1 eye means that this is an acquired trait. Let's look at this picture. Here's a little girl. There are 2 traits, brown curly hair or pierced ears. Which one is an acquired trait? Think, which one did this little girl not get from her parents? If you said pierced ears, you're correct. Brown curly hair is something the little girl inherited from her parents. Pierced ears is something that happened to the girl because of her environment. This is an acquired trait. Let's look at 2 more pictures. Now I see 2 different animals in the horse family. We have a horse over here with rainbow-colored mane. That's its hair. Then I have a zebra over here with a black and white mane, or its hair. So if I'm looking at the mane here, and I'm looking at the mane here, I'm wondering, which one is an acquired trait? Take a second to think about it. Which one did the animal not get from its parents? Is it the rainbow-colored mane, or is it the black and white mane? Which one does not make sense? Correct. If you chose the horse with the rainbow-colored mane or hair, that is the acquired trait. This horse was not born with a rainbow mane. It was acquired. Probably its owner dyed the mane, which is its hair here, all different colors, which looks pretty cool, but that horse was not born with hair like that. That makes it an acquired trait. All zebras are born with black and white mane or hair. That means they got the black and white mane from its parents. That is something that's inherited. So let's review. An acquired trait is something that an animal or a person gets from its environment. That means something happened to it to get that, for it to be that way. It is a non-inherited trait. So they could not have gotten it from its parents. It happened from their environment. This was a quick mini lesson about what an acquired trait is. Now it's your turn to show me and Ms. Kapusky what you have learned about acquired traits in the written work that you received today. Please make sure you take your time and rewatch this video if you need help reviewing what an acquired trait is again. Keep working hard, third graders. We miss you.